Gee, Vrangshe, how are ye all on Mart seo? Yeah, Tuesday. Inniu an dara lá de bhí Marta agus an tEarrach atá an. So inné lémer faoi bláhanna ag fás sa Guardian. Okay, and we learned about na tulipi agus rose, na rosna agus lus an crumkeen agus what was the other one? The first an céad bhlá was an plúirín sneachta. Okay, so all signs of an tEarrach na bláhanna ag fás a ríis tEarrach an gibhrú. Okay, so inniu a ríis where ag déanamh les aháile, so leathanach 8 sé. So we're jumping forward 8 sé, the year I was born, 86. Okay, 8 sé, so os clíigi where les aháile leathanach 8 sé agus chéigi go dtí an scéal an tEarrach, spring. Okay, so we're right in the middle of spring I láthair na huaire now. Yesterday an céad lá bhí Marta, so it's a good time to do this. Agus féic an Victor, féic na hún ag dása sa farc, agus na lus an crumkeen, the daffodil sa farc freisin. Okay, but we also have buchel agus a ahar in London. In London, I wonder why. Agus tá sé ag siopadóireacht agus ag dul timpeall na háite in London. So let's see what he has to say. Okay. Taithníonn an tEarrach go Mórlan. So you can see here, guys, I have na bríomhar circled. And what Hampshire is it? Quick look. Yeah, you're correct. Tá an ceart agah. It's an Hampshire láithreach because it ends in NN there and we have no may. It's Clisham agus Fickham agus Bean Tussian. So 2 clues that it's the Hampshire láithreach. Ends in NN agus Níléon may on. So Taithníonn an tEarrach go Mórlan. I love spring. Misha freshen, me too. Clisham ceol na nain. So I hear bird song. Agus Fickham I see na hún ag léim sna parcanna. The lamb means like Vincent, Connor Carroll's Vincent. Remember him last Friday, the lamb, okay? This is the time for na hún ag léim sna parcanna. Being an Hampshire ag dulibh. The weather is ag dulibh, getting better. Agus being páistí ag imirt and wet faoin air. Go háirithe if the weather is like it's been today, yesterday and Sunday, all of us outside ag imirt and wet faoin air. Tussian daoine ag obair sa Guardian, like the scale we had yesterday, Mamo agus Shauna ag obair go dtí sa Guardian. Being daithne ála, beautiful colours, le feicáil I neach áit. Pitchin lá éile Pádraig, St. Patrick's Day, agus an Cosc, St. TEarrach. So an Cosc, Easter, St. TEarrach. Both of those happen at Tarlíonn siad St. TEarrach. Bín léhananta sira ón scoil agam agus ihim ivacha seachláide. So when an Cosc comes, you've léhananta sira ón scoil agam. I have holidays from school. Agus ihim, I eat ivacha seachláide. And I cannot wait for ivacha seachláide. I'm off everything for Cargas, which is Lent. So I can't wait until an Cosc is an Cosc agus I'll be able to eat ivacha seachláide a ríis. Chéim le Maclan go dtí London gach Cosc. I go with my family Machiailach go dtí London gach Cosc every Easter chun cuairt a torch my uncle to give a visit or pay a visit to my uncle. Bín an spree agin an crack an gat blin every year. Feckham I see Paulás Buckingham, so Queen Lizzie, agus Park Hyde, the big park in London freshen. Chéan Mawami chuig na Hawerclana sa Chathair. Na Hawerclana are the theatres where you might see the Book of Mormon, or what's that one you like, Hamilton, or what's that one, Wicked. All the ones you like are Les Miserables. So Chéan Mawami chuig na Hawerclana sa Chathair, or Lion King, or any of those. Chéan gat duine aháile go sanna sásta. Every person goes home go sanna sásta. Is brálam an Cosc. I love the Easter, agus is brálam an tEarrach. So maybe it's a little early for us to be doing the bit about an Cosc, but not about an tEarrach, because we're right smack bang in the middle of an tEarrach. And tá córa an timpeall na háite. There's signs of spring everywhere we look. Okay? Everywhere we look. So it's a good time to be doing this. Now, why, you might ask, why does he use an Hampshire láithreach? Well, you tell me. Okay, this is something he does gach blin. Okay, he goes to London gach blin, gach Cosc, every Easter. So it's repeated. So that's why he used the Hampshire láithreach. And also, Tarlíonn an tEarrach gach Fiora, agus Martha, agus Ebron. Okay, it happens every year as well this spring, so it's good to use the Amsher Láthach there. Perfect case to use it there. Okay, now the Cheshtana. Caird a chlishin an buchel san tEarrach. Okay, up here he says clishim, I hear, but you're not going to say I hear now. Let's see who's listening. Okay, so your answer is going to start with chlishin she, no H. Chlishin she, whatever he hears. Iver though, Conasa Vian an Amsher, how is the weather? So Bian an Amsher, no H. Iver 3. An mian an plus lehen de sira on squel ega. Has he got lehen de sira? So Bian something ega. Iver Kahar. Ka Jane she gach chosk. Where does he go? Gach chosk. So your answer is going to start with Chain she, wherever he goes. Agus Iver Kuig. Kad a eken she an. So up here he says fecum. You're not going to say fecum because he's talking about himself. You're going to say feckin she, whatever he sees. No H. Okay. Is that correct, Glory, guys? So, 3 little activities I want you to do for Gaeilge now today. Everybody listening, because yesterday was a bit hit and miss, okay? First, all I want you to do is read that paragraph, just that paragraph, not at all, no. So, just on alt shot, just this paragraph. That's it. Shailina, 6 lines. Okay, just that paragraph, that's part 1. Iver though, part 2. Fragger na Keshtana, Trivel. Just leave a voice message. Is that correct, Lord? Just a voice message. You don't need to write anything. And then Iver 3, the final part. And I've gone to quite a bit of work to do this, so make sure you do it. It'll only take you less than 5 minutes. There's a little clue here. Matching game, like you did last Friday on Ina Shachacha. So match up all these words with their meaning, and they're all to do with an tEarrach. All these words are to do with an tEarrach. Is that correct, Galore? So 3 things. Iver hen. Le an alt shot, read this piece. Iver though, Fragger na Keshtana, 3 veil, orally. And Iver 3, the matching exercise. So that's our Gaeilge done in you. So simply galore. I want everybody to make a good effort at that now, and we'll celebrate the arrival of an tEarrach. Gur mila mila magav. Slán lev, galéir.